Yeah, the first day is always exciting. Guys had great energy, and really excited about our young guys, and our veterans have done a great job, and they've had a good preseason. It's been a fun group here early on, and now the journey begins here on the first day. We're building, a lot of fundamental stuff we've taught here early on in the first 6 weeks, and now we're building on that, trying to put that in a 5-on-5 concept, and still breaking down and still trying to get a feel for the identity of this team. It's still new. Myself as a coach and our staff, we're trying to figure out where guys fit and how they can be most effective.
Yeah, coming in first day of practice, everybody's been real excited. We all just been anxious to get in here, play and compete against each other. Coach has been real excited. He's been giving us a lot of confidence, and we've just been trying to come out here and execute. Yeah, being a junior this season, and especially we being a young team, I've been here. I know what coach expect. I know what to do coming out, so I'm just trying to teach the younger guys and hopefully help them develop and become leaders later on.
The energy was really good. Everybody was hyped. Everybody was excited to play, and it's a new year. We got a lot of freshmen and a couple of returning guys, so we had to keep the energy going, and just very excited for the year to start. Well, I think we're going to be a team that plays like the Spurs. We got everybody. We got shooters all over the floor. We got point guards that can distribute, and we're going to be good defensively as well. We're going to be able to press full court like Louisville, and we're just going to play together, get guys shots, and you won't see much one-on-one basketball. It's going to be a team effort.
Yeah, well, you know what? I think we got good togetherness. Right now, have many minutes given out, so everybody's excited to compete for their spots. But that'll evolve. We've had good attitude, and these guys are hungry to learn, and they've been a fun group so far to coach. They love to play, and that's always a good thing when you have that kind of morale.
Fans, don't forget you can follow the Knights on social media.